So now that we have successfully created a database in PHP MyAdmin, here in the database test, table members, 3 test records, and we have successfully written code to display the records in a web page, we're going to write code now which will write records via PHP into the MySQL database table. The way we do that is the similar way as last time. First, we have to make a connection, MySQL localhost, and root. No password, database name is test, okay. Then we'll close it here to get the beginning and the end. And now I want to insert 2 members here with the same code, so I'm going to make a little function. I'll call that function insert member. I need to send the DB, and then I want to send the first name, Jamie, second name, Vice, last name, Vicer, and score 34. Okay. And let me send another one, Sabrina. Sabrina Wise, and her score was 88. So now we need to make the function insert member. What do we need? What are we expecting? A DB object. And we want to have a first name, a last name, and a score. So, okay, what do we need to do in here? We need to create an SQL statement. I'm going to create it with a function called sprintf, which is very nice. It allows you to create your text first with little variables and then put all the variables at the end, which can make your code insert into members quite readable. So insert into members first name, last name, score with the values. And here we go with the sprintf variables with the values s for string, ss for string. And the score we'll also use as a string. Actually, we don't need that as a string, or as we don't need it quoted, but we'll use the sprintf string. So that concludes that part. We have to end the parentheses for the values area there, and then a comma. Now we need to type in all of our variables. So first name is going to be this variable here, last name, the next variable, and score, the next variable. So we need to put a semicolon at the end of that, and we're done with that SQL statement. And now we just need to send the query. So db query, send the SQL statement, just like that. So just so we can see something happening here, I'm going to echo this SQL out to the page here. Okay, now let's execute it. We're at MySQL write here, not read, so let's write. And it just executed these 2 SQL statements in our database. That means that Jamie and Sabrina should be in the database table. And click on Browse. They are not there, actually. Click on Browse again. They are still not there. Okay, let's see why they are not there. Okay, I just saw in here that we have an extra parentheses. I took it out here, but I didn't take it out there, which made our SQL statement look like this. Parenthesis, or apostrophe, and apostrophe at the end here. That cannot be, so we have to take it out. So let's execute it again. Suck. Let's see if it's in the database now. Browse, and now we have Jamie and Sabrina in the database. So with this code, we are able to insert rows into our database.